Hello and welcome. If you're watching this video, it's probably because you are trying to get a prepaid self-addressed envelope with tracking number from USPS. This could be because you are dealing with the consulate and they are requiring you to provide them a self-addressed envelope. This could be for a visa, passport, or another consular service. In my case, I am trying to renew my Italian passport, so I'm dealing with the Italian consulate in San Francisco, and they are requiring me to provide them with a self-addressed envelope from USPS. So the consulate will give you two options. Option number one, USPS Priority Mail Express with a flat rate of $31.40, and you also get a guaranteed delivery of 1 to 3 days before 6 p.m. And then the second option will be USPS Priority Mail with a flat rate of $10.10 and a delivery time of 2 to 3 business days. So it's up to you whether you want to do the express or the normal priority mail envelope. I decided to go with option number 2, which is the priority mail. And what I did is I went up to USPS, grabbed one of these envelopes, and when I went up to the counter to speak to the postal clerk, I told him that I was needing a priority stamp, which for this envelope, it's a flat rate of $10.10. That is what I paid for. And I also told him that I needed a USPS tracking label. And he reminded me that before I drop this off at the consulate to take a picture of this number. So when they have my new passport, put it in this envelope, and they ship it to me, I will be able to track it along the way. And then you will put the consulate you are dealing with. For me, it's the Consolato Generale d'Italia, and then to your address, and that's all you need. That's it. So to recap, go to USPS, grab one of these envelopes, ask for a priority stamp, get a USPS tracking label, put the consulate information and your information. That's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please put a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I hope to see you next time. Ciao.